All right, welcome back to another trade recap. um, today we are up $231.50 on two like full leverage or full, risk trades. So that brings me to 675 on the week. So yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good. Um, yeah, I'll get right into it. Um, Let me make sure everything's working. All right, we're good. All right, so I said bearish for now unless a breakout to the upside happens. Um, and obviously I said correct bias was bullish, but probably could have been winning trades both ways. And I said this because, there's a good size move up and a good size move down, and I caught a good size move up. So, um, let's just get right into it. The first, do I have executions? Yeah. All right, so I took both of them on ES today. And the first trade was this right here. And it was after, so there was this 15-minute gap right here. Sorry, just blanked for a little bit. This 15-minute gap right here. And then the 1 minute came, or we dipped into it right here. Came up, reswept these lows by a little bit, then popped up CISD. And I entered and I got filled around here, and then it just went straight down. And I think the only reason this trade wasn't good is because it wasn't the last gap in the leg, it was the first gap, and it wasn't, I guess it might have, let me see where equilibrium would be. Yeah, so it didn't hit EQ yet, and it wasn't the last gap in the leg, so that's why it could have been lower probability and didn't play out. But, second trade, dip down into the lower gap, so I can delete this, dip down into the lower gap, dip down into equilibrium, and then got this candle to bring all the way up here. CISD chopped around, almost took me out. I thought my life was over. Not my life, but I don't know. I was just contemplating because I'm already pretty low. But came down here, chopped her down a little bit in severe, in a lot of drawdown. Popped up, little chop, popped up to my TP, which was this high. Yeah, I didn't scale it. Also, it was just a 1.3 hour trade. As you can see, plus 10 at 858.75, which is right there, and minus 10 at 5875, right there. So, pretty simple day. Nothing too crazy. I also marked out this, where was it? Am I dumb? Oh yeah, this gap right here. Um, and I decided not to take it, which is probably good because it just kind of ran through it. Now it's kind of chopping around, but let's see if it actually got up into anywhere. Oh, it did. Ooh, this could have been a trade too, right here, honestly. On both. Let's see. See what happened here. So on the 15-minute, little tap of this gap. And a tap of this gap. Go to the 1 minute. Little 1 minute change right here. Alright, so that would have been a good trade too. And this would have been a good trade too. So there's a lot of opportunity today. If I hadn't already, taken this trade, that trade might have been the move, but good day. Tomorrow should be good. We got orange folder, so it shouldn't be completely dead. I'll probably full risk tomorrow if I do take a trade, so like between $500 to $800. So I don't know, maybe I can end up big. Maybe I'll be down again, but this account's kind of just chopping around. I guess I'm up 1,000 overall, so that's not terrible, but the past couple weeks have been awful for price action, as everybody knows, but yeah. I think that's it for today. I will be back tomorrow for another Trader Cap and Friday, so I'll see you then.